Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahid, and today I'm gonna tell you how to make a simple game in Scratch. It is a very good software, and the game will be about multiplication. The computer will ask a question, and you have to answer it in here. So let's begin. We will go into events right here, and here at third number, there is this block named when the sprite clicked. So we'll get this right here. And we are going to variables. Now remember, if you only have this and don't have any of these, then you will go to make a variable. Select type in random and click OK. Remember for all sprites. Okay? Now here's this check mark. Don't do anything to it. Now take this set my variable to 0 and click it here. Now you see this arrow over here at the right side of my variable. You click it and here it is random. So you'll just click that and go here into operators and click join. Here you go. And in place of apple, you will say what is 7 times. Alright. Now you will go to variables and select random and make it in place of banana. Now this is set random to join what is 7 times random. Now we will go to sensing and there is this option ask what is your name and wait. Now we will take this and instead of what's your name we will say what is. Okay, now before we do any of that we will go to operators. What is, or maybe here we will find what is 7 times and an option for random. Times. We will take join again and say this, just repeat this whole again. Delete this and click this, duplicate and fit this into here. Now we will go to variables, set my variable to, and here we are gonna make a new variable named solution and we'll set OK. And here we will change this to solution. And here in operators, we have these two columns and a multiplication sign. Now we will take this and drag it into here. We will type 7 in the first column and go to variables, random, and get this random into here. Now we will Oh yeah, and there's one more mistake. In set random to join, this isn't gonna be join. It will be 7 multiplied by random. We will duplicate this and get this into here. Now we will delete this and this and get pick random into, and 1 to 10 this is, we will write 1 to 12, not 112, 1 to 12. Now we will say if or else. We will go to control, we will get this if here, and we will say answer equals to solution. We will go to operators, get this equals to, and here we have answer in the sensing part and solution in the variables part. So then we will go to looks and we will say hello for 2 seconds. We will grab this here in the if part and in the else part also. In the if part, we will say you got it right. Then in the else part, we will say you got it wrong. Now we can test this game by clicking on the sprites, and remember, when you get this answer here, you must tick this right here. So we will tick this and it must get here. Okay, now we will click the sprite and here it says what is 7 times 7, and we will answer that. For the right option, we will type down here by the numbers pad and press enter key. Now it says you got it right. Okay, this was only one time. And now we have to turn this into a forever loop like this. Set random. When the sprite clicked forever loop, set random to pick random 1 to 12. Ask join what is 7 times random and wait. Set solution to 7 multiplied by random. If answer equals to solution, then say you got it right for 2 seconds, else say you got it wrong for 2 seconds. Now we will check again by clicking this sprite, and it is asking what is 7 times 7. It is 49, and I press the enter key. You got it right. Now it is asking what is 7 times 12. We will type in 84 because 7 multiplied by 12 is 84. Now we will submit enter. You got it right. Now we have to test either it will say you got it wrong at the right spot. Now 7 times 2 is 14, but I will type in 15. Now let's see if it will say you got it wrong. And it does. So that was our game. Oh yeah, and you could take any of the sprites by clicking over here, going here, and taking any one of these characters like this, and you can make a background like this chalkboard, And remember, you have to pick the sprite before you do anything, because once you change the sprite, all the text will go away, because the text is only for the particular sprite you are holding. Like right now, it is selected this sprite. And when I delete the sprite, then all the text goes away. Like this. There's nothing. So always remember to select the sprite before you do anything. Now you have selected the sprite. Now you can repeat the process again. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment how the video was. Was it helpful or was it not? Bye.